Hello guys, welcome back to another video with Boy Trader, and this is actually a trade recap. Like I say, this is actually the previous analysis we made on step index. Like I did a video and I put in the link. Yeah, in this video I did a video on how to approach step index, and we all analyzed the market together. I did the market analysis and all of that, setting my limits or my buy limits at this point. You all can still check to confirm. Yeah, so I set my limit order at this point, had my entry, and step index respected our analysis and is actually moving in good profits. This is actually 3 days of me holding this trade, and this, you can see, is a minimum lot size of 0.1, the lowest step index lot size, and this trade is actually giving us about $80 to $85 profits. So it's all nice. Like there's no magic, there's no like everything was just based on technical analysis, the right market approach, the right psychology and mindset. So trading can actually be less complicating if you can be able to know how and when to approach the market, like have the right knowledge and all of that. So we did a top-down analysis from the weekly time frame to the 1 hour time frame down to the 15-minute time frame, I think. So we did a top-down analysis of step index. We went lower, we went deeper. Like for those who are first time watching this particular video, there was a video that was made on this market. We called out, I made mention of key levels, market structure, market formations, the patterns we see. Basically, I emphasized on key levels, like how to take advantage of the key levels when trading step index. I mean, you all can see the results it gave. Like I had a good buy at this point. I set a limit order. Not that I had a magic, like not that I had spiritual powers or trading powers whatsoever. Just the right knowledge, experience too is also an important factor in trading. So if you can be able to have the right knowledge, that's the number one um feature we need to have a good trading career. If you can be able to have a good market approach, have a good knowledge, like a good knowledge comes with a good market approach, then we set psychology in place. We make sure we are managing our psychology and all of that. We also make sure we risk management is another factor we need patience, the risk management. I had this trade at this point. Yeah, I had this buy. I set a limit order at this point and waited for the trade. Sepedex played around, and I knew basically that the market would be coming back to this point. And this level was identified as well as a level of focus, a level we should pay attention to, a level that something could happen. And this is actually what happened. I had a limit order with my stop loss below this week. The market approached here and gave us a good buy. This is actually on 15-minute time frame. Yes, I had this trade on the 15-minute time frame. Sorry, I had my limit order on the 15-minute time frame. Clearly at this point, here, how do our limit order here? Clearly at this point, yeah, the market was at this point around this area back then when we said we're expecting step index to get to this key level and we're expecting a buy from this area. So we had our limits order at this point, but the market didn't really execute it. So we waited, and on how the market came to this level without giving us a full touch of this particular level, we expected the market to come back to the same level again, which the market did at this point. The market came back to the same level, and our limit order was executed. So I moved my, because my stop loss was actually at this point. I moved my SL to I moved it down a little bit so the market can have space to breathe. Like at times you need to give your trades space so they can create their moves and all of that. So I extended my SL and hoped for the market to give us a good. And as well, I was willing to. This is actually on a $25 account, so I was willing to on 0.1 lot size. My risk was about $6. Yeah, so even if my SL is to get hit, I would definitely be having a balance in my trading account for another trade. So I had my stop loss and my risk was about $6. So right now we are running about $80 profit, which is really really great. Like you can see how far the market has gone from that point. I've held this trade for about I took the trade on Saturday. No, not Saturday. I took the trade on Thursday. Yeah. So you can see how far the market has gone. It's played around here, and at this point, I think the market is about to give us. Market has have kind of approached a level, but you don't really know how strong this level is, because but I think the level is actually an important level we should take note of. So I'll be exiting my trade at this point. This is actually our key, our the next market key level, because I've seen this area, the market's rejection at this point, market reaction at this point. The same thing happened here. The same thing happened here, and so we're expecting the market to go to this point, give us a drop down, like give us the market approached here, give us a little drop, a kind of a little move, yeah. And the approach is kind of, I think the approach is to stop out those who sold at this point, like to stop them out. You can see this week the market created this long week and rejected down. It's actually trading below this level right now, so this is actually to stop out some sellers, those who are still selling. But I'm still expecting the market to give us a drop down from that area, from this point down to this our next key level, down to this point again. So market actually gave us a nice push to this level. You can see how far the market went and give us a little drop, give us a little drop, then it's coming back to it, kind of creating a double top formation, which is a reversal pattern. But those who got into the sales at this point would be stopped out because of this week the market is created, kind of give them a fake breakout of this level, and those who bought will be trapped as well. So if you are to watch price action properly, like study the market moves well on the lower time frame, like 15-minute time frame, we'll be having a good sell entry back down to catch the sells down to this level. So that's basically how I was able to catch these buys on Step Index. So I'll be putting the link of the previous video on the analysis, the full analysis of this particular trade. I'll be putting it on this video, so you guys can go check it out and drop your thoughts. Do it to drop your thoughts. And my new viewers, you guys should do well to subscribe. My returning viewers, big shout out to you guys, and let's keep doing what we do. Do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.